Hey YouTube, quick video on the coolest mod, or the coolest thing that Range Rover ever did, and they have quit doing it for some reason. Bought this out of the UK. It will lift up the spare tire, and so we just installed it. A couple of bolts came with it. Got this off eBay, but I've found new ones. I'll put the link down in the description, and I'll show you how it works in a second. Alright, so we've got our big heavy spare, and with the handle down in here, pick it up. You do have to lift it up some. It doesn't fit all the way. So pull it up, and it goes in the latch down here, and it's also got a button that opens the tailgate. And so, although mine does not seem to work. So pull it down and slide the spare tire straight out. I think it's a pretty cool idea. Don't know why Range Rover quit doing it. I think this piece of plastic was made in Germany, so it must have been a BMW innovation. Those Germans are clever.